Are air source heat pumps the solution to heating inefficient homes?
In many cases, they can be a very good solution at dramatically cutting the energy costs. However, it doesn't apply to all buildings, and if we're serious about cutting back this huge slice, this 40% of our carbon dioxide emissions through our home heating and water heating and space heating, then we are going to have to consider other options, whether some redesign, partial reconstruction, full reconstruction, or new build. However, as this is a large and somewhat emotive topic, I think it deserves another episode to discuss the alternatives.
Certainly.